This looks worse, almost as bad as it did last April. We good? Heated seats?
Probably.
Feels like it.
I don't feel it.
I always forget how close all these lifts are to one another. Gondola, Superstar.
Yeah.
Can we get to, can we get from like Superstar down to Snowshed?
Yeah. I think so.
I mean, do we need to take it out? Do we have to go back up it, or can we, is that a trail right there from it? Looks like there's a trail.
I can't tell you that.
It's funny, when I was going by the parking lot, saw some big pickup truck, and they had a grill out. Obviously brought their grill for
That's awesome.
grilling lunch.
That's kind of cool.
I agree, it's an unbelievable day to do that. The last couple of days of our vacation, Nick, we were skiing a lot of stuff like this.
Oh, that bubble didn't go down.
I don't know, but this might not be terrible up here. Try to
It'll be soft spring, like.
spring conditions.
Yeah.
Boy, that sun is just so
It's very hot.
Yes. Alright, so we're gonna knock the new ramps off. Stay up, bag that.
Yeah.
That's gonna be. I mean, I would try to find this thing up wherever that is there. I can't remember. Where did we come down?
I don't know.
Over there somewhere?
We went underneath the chair.
That's right.
Underneath that tunnel, I think we went right there. Loud.
Wow. Oh yeah, we went on this underneath there, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a lot of tunnels here.
Well, both of these tunnels here were added because they were terrible, like, trail intersections.
Yeah.
So then
Makes sense.
it was added, like, this whole area got, like, a huge facelift.
No, I mean, it makes a lot of sense, though, because when you're traversing,
You're not really looking up.
yeah, it's also nice not to have to.
That's true.
God.
What?
So much brown.
Yeah. Like, I like the bubbles. Like, the color is really cool.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Buble. Do you remember last April when it was like all covered with snow here on the trees?
Yeah.
It looks so nice. And then by the end of the day, it was like mostly melted.
It's just fun to come into a place that's not that crowded too. It's fun. So nice.
Well, mine's a big size chair. Privilege, yeah.
I know. I'm thinking we go left. If that's the option. Maybe it's not an option to go left. Yeah, I think. Want to try one run on this and see it?
Yeah, sure. All right, get ready for the bar.
Does it do it automatically or not?
No.
Bubble will raise, bubbly will raise.